So we're driving from Pecos to Balmorhea, and there is really nothing out here. Just a bunch of oil fields and whatnot. But when we get closer to Balmorhea, I'll show you all the little aqueducts that feed the fields from Balmorhea State Park natural water well that just spring comes out of the ground. But I thought I'd give you a couple minutes up front here of just the scenery coming down the 17 from Pecos to Balmorhea. There's little buildings like this one here. They're doing something. Lots of trash fields, lots of open land. There's some hay fields out here. It's kind of weird. It's pretty much the desert. And you can probably see the mountains in the background. Those are the Davis Mountains. Big bird. Getting some meal. The road's got a coarse grind to it. So it's a little noisy. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I don't know if you can see right over there the flames from the burn off from the wells. They're all over this place out here. It's kind of strange. Strange that they don't harvest that gas, but it might be too far of a distance to move it.